Hi, everyone. It's day 167 of the Feathered Quest, and our bird today is the Lesser Goldfinch. When winter hits, lesser goldfinches at the north edge of their range just vanish. No one's quite sure where they sneak off to, but they reliably return come spring. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?